Am I audible to everyone? Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming in such large numbers. I am Matthew George Kalanickal. The name that you saw sandwiched in all those hashtags and posters that's flooding your phones right now. I have 3 deals to make with you. For the next few minutes, I'm not speaking from a poster or spamming a hashtag. It'll be just you and me, one-to-one, heartfelt and genuine. So listen to me patiently, only to grill me at the end of this. I hope we have a deal. After having represented my class for the past 2 years and serving as the General Secretary in my 3rd year, I'm making an honest effort to step down into the most effective platform for change in this college that is provided to the student community, the President of the Students' Council. We can pretend that we all walk into this room innocently unaware of how politics works in this college, but let us not do that today and for the rest of the days. Let us face the system that we are part of. Call it out when it goes wrong, where it goes wrong, discuss, debate, start afresh. If possible, open our minds to the possibility of building a fairer, more open system right from the moment we walk out of this room. And of course, seal the deal with an honest opinion and a vote. I hope we have a deal. By now, you may have you've been asked, requested, or even persuaded to vote for a candidate for reasons that you thought were irrelevant. I humbly ask you to erase all of them and lend me a fresh mind. For starters, I am not going to tell you where I come from or what language I speak. For that does not matter. That should not matter. You deserve better information than that. After 3 years of being an integral part of this governing system, I am hopeful that change is possible. I have watched this politics in college let me down. At the same time, it's given me opportunity. I've watched as it made mistakes and learned as it gave me hope. I look at my presidency as an opportunity to lead the council with a fresh perspective. For starters, you will know who your president is, when, where, and how to find him. Now, you might find it surprising that it needs to be promised, but sadly, it does. The mention of fresh perspective is sort of empty without the proof of existence. Let me elaborate. You would be surprised to know that the roles of all these posts that people have spoken about has not been officially defined. Nobody knows what they're supposed to do. The justice that is done to these posts is entirely dependent on the candidates, their generosity, their capability, and their skill set. I have always strongly felt the need for documentation of rules, regulations, procedures, the scope of responsibility, and that will be the first undertaking of my presidency. During my tenure as General Secretary, I, along with 2 others, Tanvi and Salman Shah namely, we have drafted 2 constitutions, one for the Students' Council and one for the Hostel Council, both half complete. My team will show this constitution right, and NITK will move way forward. Now, as for a team, I am backed by a team that's at the heart of NITK celebrations and events. Right from moving all these desks and benches to heading committees. We've been there, we've done that, all in selfless silence. Now, your vote holds more value than you know that you've been made to believe. I don't have a slot against your name in some Excel sheet waiting to be ticked or crossed. You are not an element of election arithmetic to me. Your vote is what pushes hope for the change up 1 notch, and if we have push it by enough notches, we can change the system and we can triumph. My nomination is an answer to the system that is yet to see truly independent voting. At the time when votes are negotiated, I seek your heartfelt support. I need you to be a voice of reason, and I will be a voice of change. I hope we have a deal, not a pact, a deal. Thank you.